Guys, if you're wondering what materials to use to make this gorgeous bench, then look no further. I'm going to show you exactly what materials I used and how to use the main part of this, a staple gun, plus how to use some staples and answer any questions you might have. You want to make sure that the stapler you have is industrial standard and that it's able to go through hard and soft surfaces. In this case, I have plywood. For the staples, you want to make sure you get the staples that correspond to your staple gun. You want to make sure that whatever size of plywood you get a size that's a little bit smaller. So a 1/4 inch is half of a 1/2 inch. So that's going to be a good size. Now we're going to take our staples, and you see this groove right here. We're going to line them up. And just go ahead and apply a little bit of pressure because you're going to have the staples in there. And then go under again, and it'll lock in place. For this particular piece of fabric, I got 2 yards. So just make sure you're getting a little bit over the size that you need, because you will need a little bit of extra fabric. This stack of cushions was actually pretty cheap. I got them at IKEA. They're about $4 each. So after you measure how many cushions you're gonna need, it'll make this next step really easy. So you're gonna wanna make sure your fabric is face down, and the side you don't wanna show is facing up. And after you position your fabric and your cushions, you're simply just going to lay your board on top. If you have everything layered, you're going to get your fabric. In this case, I have a lot, but that's fine. You might have less or more. Just make sure that you have enough to do what I'm about to do. So you're going to pinch in these sides, pull out the slack as much as you can, making it tight. So with the stapler nice and loaded, make sure you don't have your fingers here. Put a little bit of weight down, and I like to go horizontal so that it's getting both the fabric stapling onto itself and also onto the wood. And you're just going to press down really good. And voila, you have a staple. Right here. So now I'm just going to repeat that on the other side. Once you're done stapling everything together, all you're going to do is flip your bench over, and voila, it's done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions about a staple gun or you recommend any products to use, please feel free to leave them down below.